What is a ticker symbol? A ticker symbol is a short code made up of letters, sometimes with numbers, that represents a company's shares on the stock market. Think of it like a nickname or shorthand that makes trading faster and clearer. For example, Apple's ticker symbol is AAPL, while Tesco's is TSCO. Instead of writing the full company name every time, investors and trading platforms use these codes to avoid confusion. The word ticker actually comes from history. In the late 1800s, stock prices were printed out on ticker tape machines, which made a ticking sound as they worked. The short codes were created so that prices could be printed quickly and the idea stuck. Why does it matter? Ticker symbols matter because they're the language of the stock market. Imagine trying to type out International Business Machines Corporation every time you wanted to buy or sell a share. That would be slow and messy. Instead, you just use IBM. They also help avoid mistakes. Lots of companies have similar names, and in some cases, more than one company might even trade under the same brand name in different countries. The ticker symbol is unique, so you always know exactly which company you're dealing with. It's also worth remembering that a ticker is not a brand name or a logo, it's just a code for trading. For example, Nike's slogan is "Just Do It," but its ticker symbol is simply NKE. For investors, that sense of clarity and speed is vital. With millions of shares traded every day, a simple code keeps everything running smoothly. Here's a simple example. Let's say you want to buy shares in McDonald's. On the New York Stock Exchange, McDonald's trades under the ticker symbol MCD. If you type McDonald's into an investing app, you might see news articles, related funds, or even other companies with McDonald in their name. But if you search for MCD, you go straight to the right stock. Now imagine if you accidentally bought stock in a completely different company because the name looks similar. That's exactly the sort of mistake ticker symbols are designed to prevent. What else should you know? Ticker symbols aren't random, they're assigned by the stock exchange when a company lists, and they're designed to be unique. Many are abbreviations of the company's name, like NFLX for Netflix or BP for BP. In the UK, most are 4 letters long, while in the US, they can be anywhere from 1 to 5 letters. Some symbols even carry meaning beyond the letters. For example, Southwest Airlines chose LUV because its main hub is in Dallas Love Field Airport. Cedar Fair, which runs theme parks, trades under FUN. These little touches make tickers more memorable. Around the world, ticker systems differ. In Japan and Hong Kong, for instance, companies often use numbers instead of letters. That's why global investors rely on ticker symbols. They're the universal addresses of the stock market. It's also worth knowing that ticker symbols can change. If a company merges, rebrands, or moves to a different exchange, its ticker might be updated. That's why investors keep an eye out for changes, especially when following financial news. Finally, ticker symbols aren't just for companies. Funds, exchange-traded funds, and even cryptocurrencies also use tickers. For instance, Bitcoin trades under BTC. To sum it all up, a ticker symbol is a short, unique code that identifies a company's shares on the stock market. It matters because it makes trading quick, clear, and less confusing. Most are easy to recognize, often matching the company's name, and they're used worldwide for shares, funds, and even digital assets. The practical tip: if you're ever looking up shares, always double-check the ticker symbol. It's the postcode of the stock market, the fastest way to make sure you found exactly the company you meant. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.